Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fully prep your skin before foundation and all of that good stuff. Okay guys, so the eyebrow is already done. I will put a link of how I get my eyebrow to looking snatched and natural as ever. But it's about the prepping of the skin for all you girls out there who have dry ass skin like me. My skin is so dry, it's not even funny. Like, I will have patches of dry spot on my skin if I don't moisturize my skin every single day. So today is pretty much for everybody, but mainly for the dry skin girls out there. And I'm going to show you how to moisturize and prep your skin before you put your foundation on, because if you do not do that, girl, your foundation will look horrible, okay? And you don't want that, all right? So I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing you will need is your moisturizer. And for dry skin, this one is the Pods Dry Skin Facial Moisturizer. I don't know if you can see it, focus. Okay, so this is how it looks, and you could get it at Walmart, CVS, you know, everywhere, even online. So this is what I'm going to be using today, and I love this so much. It smells really good. So first you have to moisturize. Please moisturize your skin. So I'm going to go ahead and put it onto my skin. And sometimes I put a lot. It all depends on how my skin is. Like, it's really dry right now. So sometimes I go ahead and put a lot, even though this looking weird right now, but you have to go ahead and just rub it in. And you don't have to put a lot like me, but I really have to put a lot of moisturizer on my skin because my skin is really super dry. And I'm also going to put it all over my neck. So you see how my skin is already looking moist? Like, from the beginning, you guys see how my skin was to now, and it's only moisturizer. So you need to get this if you have dry skin. It's really good. So next I'm going to go into this right here. This is from NYX. It's a primer. So after moisturizer, you prime, but I really don't prime unless the primer is very hydrated, which is really good. This NYX Hydro Touch Primer feels like a moisturizer. So if you want to get a primer which is not too kind of thick or anything and feeling kind of sticky and make your face looking weird, get this one, because this feels like a moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and put it right here into the T-zone area, which is here. Then I'm going to go ahead and just rub it in. And sometimes I use this alone, and it really helps me. Okay, moving along, I'm going to go into my serum. This is a Hydrolic serum, and for you dry skin girls, again, if you have dry skin, serum, get serum. Hydrolic acid, yeah, this is Hydrolic acid serum, and it's really good. I bought this from when I did my facial, so you could get any serum as long as it's hydraulic acid inside. So I'm gonna go ahead, shake it up a little bit, and then squeeze it onto my face. And what the hydraulic serum does for your skin is lock in the moisture. And it's really, really good. Okay, so the final step is the primer, like the real deal primer. Like, this one feels like silicone. It feels like silicone, and this is from LA Girl Pro. I got it from my beauty supply store. And the only thing I do with this primer, because it's so thick and it feels like silicone, and with primer like that with dry skin, I would not recommend putting all over your face. Only put it where your smile line is. So you see when you smile? Right here. only put it here because when you put on your foundation and everything, it will have creases, like a lot of crease, and it doesn't look good when you have on your foundation and you have creases all over. So I would definitely recommend putting it right here where your smile line is and under your eyes right here, because right here and under your eyes do crease a lot. So it will look definitely, it will look really, I can't speak today. It will look definitely nice when you put on your primer, and then don't have creases when you put on your foundation. So what I'm gonna do, is this one finished? I have another one. No, it's not done. Okay, so I squeeze a little bit onto my hand, and then I just put it right here. I just glide it on for now. And then what I do, I tap it in with my hand. I don't rub it, I tap. Just tap, tap, tap. Then I'm gonna go under my eyes. And you could put it onto your eyelid also. And you could, oh, sorry, one more thing, I did make a mistake. You could also put it onto your nose. So if your nose is very oily a lot, because sometimes my skin, even though my skin is dry, sometimes oil is on my nose. So I normally go in and just rub it in. I don't tap my nose. I just, you know, use my fingers and rub it in. Okay, so after everything is done, that's it. It's all done for your prepping of your face before your foundation. Let it sit on your face for at least, I would say, 2 to 5 minutes. Don't, after you do all of this step, don't go right in with foundation. You have to let it soak into your skin. So let it sit. I normally let it sit onto my skin for 5 minutes. That's the reason why sometimes when you see me come on camera and I'm doing my makeup, I always prep my skin first and then I go in with my eyelid. So yeah, don't put on anything right now. Let it sit for 5 minutes, and then you can go in with your foundation and whatever stuff you want to put on your face. So I'm just gonna sit here, check my phone, and just wait until 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I am all done with my makeup. Make sure you stay tuned for this makeup look that is coming very, very, very soon. Flawless and nice. I look so pretty. But anyways, this is how your makeup should look after you already prep and prime your face. I did wait for 10 minutes. I did, to be honest. When I finished prepping my face, I went downstairs and I was eating some cereal. I'm still eating cereal, by the way. Look. Cheerios, Honey Nut Cheerios. If you like Honey Nut Cheerios, let me know. I love Honey Nut Cheerios. But pretty much, yes, I let it sit on my face for at least 10 minutes. But you know, this is the step that you have to take before you put on your foundation. And as you can see how my skin is looking flawless. Like, look at it. Oh, let me come closer to you guys. It's looking so flawless and so nice. And yeah, I hope that I teach you something or two, and yeah, definitely stay tuned for this makeup look, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.